Make money with Instagram. If you want to know how to make money with Instagram and what you can do to make money from Instagram, then keep watching this video. And just very quickly, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button now so that you never miss a video. Let's get to it. Now, before I tell you ways to make money on Instagram, what kind of content do you want to see on this channel? Let me know in the comments under the video. Okay, let's start working through these ideas on how to make money from Instagram. Let me tell you about making money on Instagram. At the moment, you may be asking yourself, can you make money with Instagram? The answer is yes. In fact, helping creators making a living on the platform is a top priority for Instagram, especially as the competition is getting more intense from TikTok, Snapchat, and YouTube. In 2021, Instagram was the second most downloaded app in the world. It is the 7th most visited website globally, the 4th most used social media platform, and has 1.22 billion users every single month. Now, Instagram has a massive potential audience for you. With an enormous and diverse ocean of people who could potentially be exposed to your content, there are plenty of opportunities for you to make money by Instagram. I am now going to tell you how much money you can potentially make on Instagram. How much money can you make on Instagram? The numbers are a bit tricky because creators and brands are very private about how much money they are making. On top of that, calculating income from Instagram is fairly complicated. What if you post food videos, then provide a link to your recipe blog and host ads on your blog that make you money? How much money you can make on Instagram will depend on a few things. You'll need to have good credentials and a good size audience in a niche market where there is a big demand. You will also need to create highly engaging and informative content that helps people, solves a problem, or takes away a pain point. You will also need to hustle and be flexible with your content marketing strategy on Instagram so that you find what works for your audience. In 2021, Hype Auditor surveyed almost 2,000 influencers, mostly based in the US, about how much money they make. Let me tell you what they found. The average influencer makes $2,970 per month. Average numbers aren't the best to go by since there's so much differentiation between the highs and the lows, which I will tell you about in the next stat. Micro-influencers accounts with 1,000 to 10,000 followers earn on average $1,420 per month, and mega-influencers accounts with over 1 million followers earn about $15,336 per month. Being present, active and engaging on Instagram and keeping up with the latest trends is one of the best ways to find business success and make money from Instagram in 2023. I will now give you some tips on how to make money with Instagram. Let's start with the first way to make money on Instagram. Number 1, you can promote special offers. The online audience is always looking for a good deal, and Instagram users say they like to buy things. 44% of Instagrammers say they use the app to shop on a weekly basis. I suggest that you use Instagram to showcase all the great things about your company and your business, specifically anytime you're having a sale. Not only does posting your sale, promo code, or special offer on Instagram advertise a sale to your followers, but it also makes the information easily shareable. The second tip to make money from Instagram is to set up countdowns to new launches. You can use Instagram to give your followers a sneak peek of new releases, launches, or product lines, and using the countdown or reminder functions. You can provide potential customers with a simple way to flag when those new products will be available for sale. This creates some hype around your offer, and once the release happens, users get a notification reminding them to check out the goods, and hopefully your followers will have a look at your product offerings. Here is the next tip to make money on Instagram. You can set up an Instagram shop. Instagram shops are a direct method of making money off of the app. Users can buy products using the platform's native e-commerce tools, and it's easy to set up a shop. Instagram shops are an impulse buyer's best friend or worst nightmare, depending on how you look at it. Your shoppable products or services will show up in your followers' news feeds along with regular posts. Hosting an Instagram shop is also a great way to provide quick customer service to people who use social media, which is basically everyone, 75% of the global population over the age of 13. Potential customers can DM you or comment on your posts to learn more about your brand. I suggest that if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed in your DMs, consider using a chatbot to support your customer service team. When you post something with a buyable item, the little shop icon will appear on the post, letting viewers know that it's available to purchase. Let me now give you my next tip for how to make money with Instagram. You can set up a chatbot. An easy way to provide excellent customer service and make some sales through direct messages is to set up an Instagram chatbot. A chatbot is integrated directly into your Instagram account and website and can answer any frequently asked questions from your fans and followers. And how can a chatbot help you make money on Instagram? An Instagram chatbot can recommend products in your shop directly to your customers within the chat, leading to faster and more streamlined sales. If a customer inquires about what color foundation you have in stock, the chatbot can serve up 3 different options that the user can quickly add to their cart without ever leaving the platform. Here is my next tip for you to make money by Instagram. You can partner with other creators. Influencer marketing allows you to share your company and brand with the creator's audience, and the creator also gets a spotlight for your audience. It's a win-win. When you're researching people to collaborate with, I recommend you make sure you pay attention to their content and values. You want to pick someone who has the goals that align with your own, so the partnership makes sense to customers and doesn't seem like some oddball marketing scheme. Let me give you an example. It makes sense for a plant-based bakery to partner with a vegan influencer. I suggest that you try to collaborate with creators who would be likely to try and/or like your products in any way. You can offer the creator some money, some goods, or an affiliate deal in exchange for posting about your company or brand. Make sure you don't forget to check out the link down below to the Instagram marketing online course. This course will help you develop your digital skills and advance your marketing career with Instagram, and provide you with all the training and the knowledge you need to create a profitable business from start to finish. The link is in the description below, so check it out now. Please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video. Please connect on Facebook. I have put the link to the Facebook page in the description under this video. If you have any questions, make sure to comment them down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.